Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Everything that I'm showing you is purchased from the Dollar Tree, so I hope you enjoy this simple, easy, cheap DIY. You're going to need 2 of the mirrors, whatever style you want. Then you're going to need 2 candles. Then you're going to need some E6000 glue. And then last but not least, your candle holders. You're going to need 5 for this DIY. Right here, I'm just making sure that I have it lined up straight and right and it's not uneven or anything. You can apply the glue to both sides like I do, or you can only do it to one side. I just want to make sure that it is good and secure and not going to come apart, so that's why I'm doing it on both sides. Now when you do apply the top, the last piece, make sure you do put it on even So look underneath and everything just to make sure that it is even and you're happy with it, because once it sticks, it's gonna be really hard to get off. Now this part was pretty hard to video and put the glue on at the same time, because I was making sure that the camera was staying in focus and I was videoing what I was doing. So this part got a little hard for me, but you guys can pretty much see I just apply the glue like this on the top and then get ready to put it on, and that's it. And I do apologize for it being really shaky and a little all over the place and the lighting not being the best. And that is it, guys. I just added the candles and that was so easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like if you did and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for my next DIY. Thanks for watching.